Okay guys, we have a home here, and there was some swarming activity about yesterday. Right there. Look how quick they're piling out. That's what it's developed into, guys. See all those bees? That's just thousands of bees going crazy everywhere. Literally. Can you guys see them? Look at that phenomena. Thousands of bees.